So our other part was stocks to watch out for. Somebody said it in the comments about holistic. So the last three, as we wrap up the show, is FinTech, Amazon, and holistic.
So FinTech, I think somebody spoke to that before, was going to be Square or PayPal, or look for any company that does any type of online transactions. Stripe is also supposed to be doing an IPO later this year. Any company that does any type of online...
Stripe. You know what? You're probably right, because they kept sending out surveys about...
Yeah, they're supposed to do supposed to IPO. They said they were going to IPO. We'll see, but I think they will, because it's a great time for them to do it. Look for any company similar to those, or any companies that I may not have that I've spoke of that are similar to those, that have that particular ability, and also are operating in that business space, and also can provide financing, because I really think that's going to be a big space. It's something that you talked about before, where a lot of business owners can't get traditional financing, but these FinTech companies will finance them, because all they do is say, just send me your cash flows and we'll finance you.
They really do. Again,
FinTech. But I think Square is going to be a heavy hitter in the next 5 to 10 years. I think PayPal also will be there also. And I think the traditional transaction services like the Visa and the MasterCards are going to kind of have to figure out how they're going to catch up. I'm not a fan.
They got that under poor market.
Yeah. That's what a lot of people be doing fraud on that too. But I'm not a fan of Coinbase, because I think once they have to start charging commissions, I think their business model is going to fall apart.
I'm surprised Lemonade is up there, because I think of them as insurance
company. Yeah, and I don't really. To me, they're an insurance vendor. I don't even see them as really an insurance company. They're just an online insurance vendor, but they position themselves as a tech company.
Lending Club, I was with them for a long time.
But I'm a big fan of Square. PayPal also. PayPal's getting ready to go into trading. So I think there's a lot of opportunity, but I'm a big fan of especially Square. I think Square has a lot of growth opportunity. And I think I wouldn't be surprised if one of the MasterCards or the Visas try to eventually buy them out.
Global X, it's at $51 right now.
Okay.
Its charts look crazy. If that's its charts, that's crazy right now. That's crazy. Let me go look on Yahoo.
That might have been the 2020 dump.
Can I spell? Can I not? I cannot spell. There we go. Okay, it's at $51 right now. Let's look at it for the past 6 months. 6 months. 6 months been green.
Yeah.
Past 5 years, nothing but a gradual incline from October 2016.
What are its holdings, if you don't mind me asking?
Going down here, let's go on to the right. Top holdings, Square.
Yeah.
8%, PayPal, 6%, Aiden, 6%, Afterpay, Intuit QuickBooks to make a lot of money. Bill.com, Stone, I don't know what this company is, Fidelity National Services. They seek to provide investment results that coordinate generally to the price. Yep. Peer-to-peer, mobile payments, peer-to-peer, marketplace lending. They're going to make the money.
Yeah, they're going to make the money. So the ETF may be a better play.
Oh, man. 247?
Yeah.
Lord, I didn't know Square was that.
Yeah, look at their like over the past year, they just exploded.
This is 1 year from last year to this year.
Yeah.
Year to date is this. 5 years this. Good gracious.
Yeah,
so they were at, on March 20th, the beginning of the pandemic, they were at $52. The 1 year estimate is $302.
Yeah, I believe it. You know, people are taking profit now, kind of at the top, but I think they just keep going up, especially the way they're positioned in the marketplace. Everybody's using them. I use them. Also use Stripe too, but Stripe isn't publicly owned yet. But I know this is not investment advice, but I'm gonna jump on Stripe when they go public.
Excuse me, I apologize, y'all.
Bro.
There are several, like, I know it's hard for me to do. I'm gonna probably put together, I'm trying to think of a way that I don't get in trouble, but I'm gonna put together a financial stock list of stuff that are just my long term. Like, I'm putting money in it. This disclaimer. because I have about 100. I think my list now is 150 different stocks that I know people are like, oh, I just want to be a trader. I'm like, you just want to own some shares of these things.
Yeah, you do.
Like, you just want to have some ownership. Like, the iHeartMedia thing is long-term play for me, right? Just going to keep buying it up. And so you can have more say in podcasts and who's on there after you did that video. But a lot of these stocks where they're cheap, $10, you can drop $100 every week for a year.
Yeah, definitely.
And it's not even, I mean, let's even say just drop $50 a week. I just think it's something I might put in a little PDF and put out there.
Yeah, I think Square in 5 years could be pushing almost 1,000. I just think it got that much growth potential, just based on the marketplace and the way the actual world is going.
Well, also too, when I went to the Hispanic food truck, and they always take cash. They just be like, come on, there's an ATM over there, bring us cash. They had a little Square. Yeah. They finally updated it, and it was because their granddaughter was over there. But the little Hispanic couple, they cash, give me the cash. So when I start seeing all the Hispanic food trucks with the debit card swipe machine, I'm like, they done got big time now.
Yeah. That's that move.
Y'all got some good stuff in here. I'm not ignoring it. I don't know if you know. Do you see that?
Now, Mr. McCoy, could you explain to me? I think I seen a headline for it, but I didn't necessarily read it. So if you could break that down, I appreciate it.
Somebody say
I know Apple was down today though, but I ain't worried about that. They go back up.
BlackRock is still killing it. I mean, yeah, there's just so many companies we can name on here, y'all. But that's why I said I probably would put together like a little PDF of like long-term stuff that I see a future in or that I contribute to. ARK Financial, of course, I clicked them. Their ETF. Because these are they're $52. They're $52. And I know that sounds like, oh, Eric, you're just talking like that. But again, hold on, okay. They're $52. This was in ARK. Square, Shopify, Zillow. Zillow has a plan for you. I'm telling y'all, Zillow ain't playing. I'm just going to, if you in real estate and you playing, Zillow ain't playing. I mean, Diamond Dave, you did a video on the Walmart people getting removed up out of here.
Yeah.
Y'all not paying attention. Yeah. Coinbase is 5% of their thing. PayPal Holdings. Aiden, some of the companies we just talked about, Open Door, Twilio. Where her Tesla at? She ain't got no Tesla in here?
No, this is just her FinTech one. She got different ETFs with different sections. Yeah.
Where the other one?
I think it's the ARK Innovation. Is her other one. I think that might, and then she got one for biotech or genome stuff. So, like, she got multiple ETFs. She runs, she's spread out.
She ain't playing with y'all. This is her active ETFs. Okay, see this where you go. Thank you. Okay, everybody. See, I might have to get a whole video on just ARK breakdown. She ain't playing. Okay, let's go next generation. I don't be nosy. Real quick.
Yeah, she big on the growth stuff.
What's in here? Tesla's in here. Yeah. Grayscale, Bitcoin, Twitter, Unity software, Teladoc. Okay, I can believe that. Coinbase, Shopify, Roku. I almost got a TV show on Roku, y'all. I almost was tempted. DraftKings, Spotify. It's cheaper than you think, but the key is marketing it, because one of the Jesse Smollett, that guy, his brother and sister, they have like 8 brothers and sisters. They have a cooking show, and it's on several channels and in Roku. So, but all that stuff is all marketing at that point.